Hello there. In this video, you'll be learning how to fix slow download Telegram. Alright? If you're trying to download movies or files or whatever on Telegram and the download is pretty slow, in this video, you'll learn how to fix that. But just before we go straight into the video, please consider subscribing to this channel if you haven't, and also turn on the notification bell because you don't want to miss out on any of our recent updates. And most importantly, do not forget to give us a thumbs up if you find this video helpful. I would love to also know what you think about this video in the comment section. So with that being said, let's go straight into the video. You have Telegram installed on your device already. Now you want to go straight into Telegram and waiting for it to load up, and voila. In the app Telegram, you want to use the search button in the top right hand corner and search link to, okay, you want to search for file to links bot, and we have it. So you click on the very first option, file to link bot, and you might be prompted to subscribe or to join their Telegram channel, but that is not a problem. So what do you have on the screen here? It says, what can this bot do? It says, I am Telegram file to link generator bot. Send me any file and get direct download link and streamable link. Note, don't spam on bot. Send 2 to 3 files at once. All right, so you don't get to send too much file at the same time. You send the files in bits and it fixes slow download immediately. Now what you need to do now is just to head straight to the Telegram where you have your home page. Then you want to go for the text or the movie or the music you want to download. For me, in this video, I'll be using a movie. So I have this channel on Telegram where I get movies from, and I'll be doing the movie called this. Yeah, so I'll be using this video. So I'm just going to click on, it says download. So I'm just going to click on that and it takes me to the interface where I get to download it. Now I will not be downloading it directly from here. Okay, what I'll do now is to do a long hold, and you can see the interface has changed. Do a long hold, then forward it to file to links bot. So you click on that, then you click on start. Since I already copied that, so it's going to be a different interface. So now on the file to link bot, after clicking on start, you can see the pop up. It says high tech. That's my username on Telegram. I am file to link generator bot with channel support. Send me any file, get that direct download link and streamable link. So now you can download it if you want to, and you can also stream it if you want to. All right, so I will go back. I think I'm going to go back again. So I have it here. This is the movie reel. So I'm going to do a long hold again, then forward it to file to links bot, then I'll send it here. All right, so I forwarded the video here. You can see the next prompt says your link has been generated. All right, the movie name, the file size. So I can actually stream the link here, and I can also download the link. All right, so either of this option I can actually use. So I'm going to be using the download link, and trust me, all right, the download link from this bot makes it all fast, very fast. So you have to click on download link, then wait for it to load up, and it says download file. All right, start downloading, and you click on download, and voila, the download is super fast. So this is how you do it. It fixes the slow download on Telegram. I believe you have learned something here. Please let me know what you think in the comment section. I look forward to seeing you in other videos. Bye.